Right, students, good evening. The students who are in the online, am I audible? Can you please confirm it once? Online students? Okay. So now it is a time to see, to move forward. So last session, we started the most important concept. Features of Python we started with. So there in that, the first feature we started, totally how many features are there in Python? 11 features are available. I almost started the features. In the yesterday's class, I wrote it, all of them. And now it's a time to see, to start one by one. And at the same time, I started the first feature, which is a very simple. There, why Python programming is simple. Subject is started, guys. So daily, the same type of discussion will not be there. Subject is started. We entered into the subject part. And I already said you, please join in the Google Drive class. Is a free of cost for 2 to 3 days more. And there we said the video lectures are given. The previous video lectures are given to you guys. I hope you might be seen that. In the afternoon also, I kept that remaining 2 more class videos. Totally 4 class videos, I kept it there. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. So Sachin. So this is the video links I already set. There's the first 2 videos. First video is not necessary to listen because this is the orientation. Second, real-time applications of Python. And third video is called what? Historical development and versions in the Python. And the fourth video is yesterday, features of Python. I started. Now this is the 5th day. This is the 5th day, whatever class is. So today class video. Ramesh, today class video is going on. So can you get my dear student immediately? So Python programming provides what? Come on, start here. Now we'll discuss factor number 1. Let me enter into the subject. Python is one of the simple programming language because of 3 important technical factors. What is the first technical factor? Factor number 1. Python programming provides a rich set of modules. Modules in general words are called what? Libraries we can call. So that Python programmers are reusing the predefined code without writing our own code. So you've seen already certain example. And a definition of what? Module. What is the definition of module, ma? A module is a collection of functions, attributes, and class names. Are you following me? Right. And going to start next. Factor number 2 I'm going to introduce. Factor number 2 I'm going to introduce. And one more time, I'm saying to everybody, another students, this video lectures will be given only for 1 week or 10 days. Then and after, no more videos are provided. And all the students must aware of it. So in the further, sir, videos required, all those things will not be there. We don't give any more complete videos. We will not give. First 10 days, people are going on joining now. We will give you that. After that, no more videos because people will do business outside with our videos. We don't give, that's why. So we are going to attend live classes if you want my classes. That's all. So factor number 2, we are going to talk. What is this factor number 2? What is this factor number 2? I am going to talk. Look at that. Python programming provides. Second factor, why Python is simple technically. Python programming provides inbuilt garbage collection facility. Inbuilt garbage collection facility. Sir, what is this inbuilt garbage collection facility will do? It's the most important. After that, inbuilt garbage collection facility by executing garbage collector. By executing what? Garbage collector. It is one type of program. By executing garbage collector program. Because of executing garbage collector program, what will happen? I'll be giving you so that I will continue that by giving some explanation in the class. Let us go to the simple example here. Let us go to small example. Try to put your concentration here. Right. Now say students, in my C program, you take an example of C programming. Why I'm always taking this? Because you might be heard about the terminology. C programming language, you take it. For example, I decided to store 1000 values. Just in a simple terms, I am explaining. I decided to store how many values? 1000 values. To store 1000 values, I created 1000 memory locations. 1000 memory locations created. If you have the knowledge in C language about arrays, this is the word will come. Because I am not going to talk about C language programming here. I am talking about completely Python programming, which is even I will show in the class. Okay. I created 1000 memory locations because we decided to store 1000 values. We expected 1000 values will come. I created 1000 memory locations. But all of a sudden comes when the program execution started, we received only how many values we received it? 500 values we received it. 500 values only we got it. We received only 500 values. And stored in where? How many locations? 500 locations. 500 locations they stored it. And what did you understand with that? We come to know that. Come on, what is the next one? We come to know that 500 locations are what? 500 locations are unused. Are they under use or unused? We come to know that 500 locations are what? Unused locations. 500 locations are unused. Unused locations gives you what? Unused locations will give you what? More time to maintain that unused memory space or not? Unused memory locations indirectly reduces the performance, right or not? Reduces the performance of the applications. Reduces the performance of what? Applications. Because my program is executing big project. In that I received only 500 values. 500 locations only created. 500 locations are unused and reduces the performance of my application. More memory space will take more time to execute. Out of more memory space, we are going to take only few values stored and a few more locations are what? Unused. What it indicates? What that entire thing indicates? I need some application. At this point of time, what do you need to do? Tell me, as a C programmer, what do you do? As a C programmer, we must write a code for removing what memory space? Unused memory space must be written. We must write a code for removing which memory space? Unused memory space code we need to write. Will you able to write by yourself? There is no facility present in which language? C language to eliminate which memory space? Unused memory space elimination code is not there. And C programming does not provide any facility, any inbuilt facility, does not provide any inbuilt facility for removing which memory space? Unused memory space. First of all, did you understand me? Did not provide any facility for removing which memory space? unused memory space facility, eliminating memory space facility is not there. So hence it indicates what? Definitely you need to write a C as a C programmer. You must write a code for removing the unused memory space, because C programming does not provide any built-in facility for removing. Is it difficult for you to write the code for removing memory space or easy? Definitely difficult. You did not see. You did not make a dare to write operating system code. Will you write a code for removing unused memory space? Definitely it is impossible to the programmer. If you don't know the code, how to write it, definitely what is not there? Memory space is still wasted. Memory space wasted means what is happening? Performance problems will come. Simple, students. There is a bank. Some 5 lakhs customers are there in the bank. And out of that, 1 lakh people are not performing any transactions in the bank. In an early monitoring, in yearly monitoring, 500 customers are recognized as what? NPS, non-performing account holders. Non-performing account holders. Then what we will do? We will send them a message. Please make your accounts active. Otherwise, please make your accounts active. Otherwise, we will be putting under what? Non-performing account holders. Non-performing account holders will be simply kept under what? Under removal stage. And to enhance the performance of my banking application, we decided to do like that. Those the customers who are not performing any accounting operations, is it not waste of time to maintain their accounts? Like that, in C programming environment, in C++ programming environment, we allocated the memory space like that. We got this many values. These many locations are wasted. And finally, what is happening? Performance problem started. As a C programmer, we must, hello, stand up once, stand up, stand up, stand up first, go out. You also, same, huh? Same, is doing what? Sitting in front of me and doing mobile operations. Rani of the trader, no. It is waste of time. So, want to listen? Okay. Now, in this class, this is not like 21 years education. By seeing them, I'm getting irritation first. So, coming to the point of it, as a C programmer, we must know that we need to write a code for what? Removing the unused memory space. Such a memory space you need to write the code for what? C programming. Is it easy to write or difficult to write? Difficult to write, because the programmers don't know what? Operating system code. So when they don't know how to write the operating system code, will they feel easy to write the C programming or difficult to write it? Difficult. So C language is easy or difficult? Difficult, because they don't know how to write the removal of memory space. Getting my point? When you come to the modern languages like Python, when you come to the language called Python, when you come to the language called Java and C#.NET, what is happening there? What is happening there? Because of that kind of languages, automatically one built-in facility is provided, students. One built-in facility provided. One built-in facility provided. What is the built-in facility provided? Garbage collector. And nobody will explain this garbage collector. When you go to an interview point of view, they will ask more and more questions on that. And we must concentrate very hi-fi knowledge in this area, where I am going to explain this garbage collector more practically. This garbage collector will come under OOPS, under that where there is a topic name called a destructor. There is a topic name called a destructor. Under that, so many number of examples I will tell you. I will show you where I am going to show. Because why I am showing in every moment a practical awareness, because you should know what is the OOPS and how OOPS are important in real time and how these destructors are related to my examples. Number of examples, you see 7 examples. Under that, destructors and then garbage collection, where I am going to explain. Destructors in Python and related to what? garbage collection. In mobile apps, garbage collector is there. For every 12 hours of time, for every 24 hours of time, one application is running inside to boost the device performance. Once you make a call, when you end the call, lot of temporary files will be generated. Such temporary files will be generated. They will be removed automatically because internally one application is running. What that application is called? Garbage collection. There we are having what? Forceful garbage collection and then automatic garbage collection. Types of garbage collections I will explain. And with explanation with what? Memory space I will explain. With the memory spaces I will explain. It is not a normal Python class. It is a so tremendous class this is. There is no place for illegal students, irregular students and doing extra operations. In my class it will not work out. All the students in my class are like my LKG students. Because I will make you a diamond, I said. Sitting in front of me doing WhatsApp chatting and all. I used to see first time this type of activities. I never used to see in my 26 years. If anybody doing, garbage collector will collect away. 100%. I never fear for anything else. So here, what is this now? Dell. What is that? Memory space also I am going to compute. How the memory space is GC, garbage collector is calling. How the memory space is eliminating. I am going on doing this. With the practically, I am going to say, what is the use of GC? Eliminates which memory space? Unused memory space. Is it necessary to write from our side GC? Actually speaking, we don't write the memory space to write. Eliminating memory space we don't write. But I will write my own code which works like what? Garbage collector. Later I will remove the code, how it will work out. By writing my code, how it will work out. Internal flow I will show you. Internal flow I will show you. That internal flow is nothing but what? My garbage collection. For your satisfaction, I will show you how this program will execute. Just for a minute and don't feel otherwise. Just for a flow. Py. One small example I am going to show. What is my execution here? What is my execution? You see Py. Of course, you don't understand, but I want to say. What is the memory space which is created? First thing it is created what? DEST. This is called the execution started. The memory space is created here. The memory space is created now. See, once again I will execute. Carefully observe students. See this case. Execute this Py. And see this. Some timing also I taken it. Some timing is taken. Observe it. So here you observe it. 1 minute, ma. I'll go to the place, the same area, they stopped it. Go to the place. Py, program name is this. See that memory space in the beginning is called what? Initial memory space available is called 198. See that execution is running. Still it is running. It will be showing 198. When the things are over, it is called 112. Still when it is completed, it is 56. And finally total memory space is removed. It is showing the accounting. What is an initial memory space? When it is running some program internally, it is reduced something, 112. Again, it is reduced something, 56. Again, it comes to what? So this memory space is internally removed when it is not comes under what? Unused. So which one is running internally? Garbage collector is running. Right now, don't try to understand this code. I am showing that what is the deepness of the subject which I am discussing. That is my intention here. So right now, don't worry about it. I would like to say, in C++ programming, what is not provided? Garbage collector is not there. In place of garbage collector, you need to write your own code, which is complex for the programmer to write to eliminate which memory space? Unused memory space. That's why we will write our own code to eliminate that unused memory space, which is a complex, I'm saying. That's why C++ are called what? Complex in providing what? Automatic memory management. Because there is no garbage collection facility, we need to write our own facility, which is a complex. When you come to Python, Java, C# .NET provides what facility? Garbage collection facility, which is running behind of my regular program. This is my regular Python program, regular Java program, regular C#.NET program, which is running. Behind of this program, who is running also, which will eliminate which memory space. And once unused memory space automatically removes, is it performance is improved automatically or not? So I hope you come to a meaning of what? Garbage collector. On garbage collector, lot of examples I will give you, because when you go to NASCAM level of certification, majority of the questions will come on internals of the subject, not like essay questions will come in our university exams. So that is different and this is different. Now coming to the point of it, what did you understand? Python programming provides inbuilt garbage collection facility by executing garbage collector program, so that what garbage collector is doing? Garbage collector collects which memory space? Unused memory space. Collects what memory space? And improves the performance of what? Improve the performance of which applications? Python based applications. Improves the performance of which applications? Python based applications. Are you understanding? So now I am going to give you the definition of what? Garbage collector. Definition of what? Garbage collector. What is the garbage collector? Is it a program in Python or not? Are you writing or already defined? Inbuilt. Inbuilt means what? Already present. English also important. Without understanding English, if you sit in the class, nothing will understand. Right. What is garbage collector? Is it an inbuilt program or are we writing? The meaning itself says inbuilt means predefined. So I am writing garbage collector is one of the inbuilt Python program. Garbage collector is one of the inbuilt Python program. Inbuilt Python program which is running or available, which is Python program in which software? Python software. And it is running behind of what? Regular Python program. Regular Python program means the program which I am writing. Behind of every Python program, what is running? Garbage collector is running behind of regular Python program, and whose role is collects which memory space? Unused memory space, and what? Improve the performance of which application? Performance of what? Python based applications. Did you understand me? Right. So who is taking care about the automatic memory management? Hence, garbage collector takes care about which memory management? Automatic memory management. Is it clear or not clear? Clear. This is a very regularly asking question, and whose internals I will explain when I come to whoops. I already said to you where I am going to explain it, because see how many examples I am having. These many number of examples. Non-garbage collector, what is happening? With the garbage collection, what is happening? With a pure programming, I am going to explain. Online students, is my concept is clear? Is this definition, is the factor number 2 clear? Offline students, see, right? Did you understand the Python simplicity? So finally, are you writing garbage collector program in Python or inbuilt? So since you are not writing the code, since it is already present, that's why Python is what? Simple. If you are able to write the garbage collector, if you are writing garbage collector, definitely it is a complex. So Python is simple or difficult? Because of inbuilt facility called garbage collection. Python is simple. It will provide what? Rich set of modules. Getting my point? Yes. Come to the factor number 3. Factor number 3. Shall we start off? Yes. Let me go to the factor number 3. I'll go to some small example here. Go to the point back. So now here I am writing one simple question. Do you know English? You know English? How many of you know English? Raise the hands. You know English? Okay, stand up once. And don't laugh. You raise your hand. So English, everybody knows. Okay. What is improper noun? Improper noun. Don't feel because they will laugh. Because in my class, I'll create some lot of excitement in the class. What is improper noun? Not noun I am asking. Not noun, verb, proverb, I am not asking. I am asking what is improper noun. Improper noun, IMPROPERNOUN. Oh, no problem. Who knows English here now? Tell me. See, now you look at, when you stand up, they laugh now. Now you see, look at the class back. Almost 250 people are there offline. So when some question asking, you will say laugh. Now you raise your hand. Hand also will not come up. Who knows English? Girls, tell me. You know English? Say. You know, you don't know. Nothing. Silence is an answer. Boys, do you know? That's very good. See. No. No. Good. Everybody become very silent. What is the reason behind that? I'll ask so complicated questions. That is called subject. What are the parts of speech? Everybody will say, sir, I know. But I'll ask some questions where nobody can answer it. Yesterday I asked one C language question. Did you answer it? That questions only will come in interviews. Those who are all answering every question, nobody will ask. Industry is totally different. You ask me what is happening in industry, I'll tell you. You train in this class, you will answer every question. In the day one, I told every question, every MCQ, every system test from our notes. That's why keep our body under our control. Listen carefully. Sitting in the class, WhatsApp scrolling up and down, garbage collector will collect away. Right? I'm very strict. I'll make you as a diamond. If I don't do it, you can ask me. Right? Provided 3 conditions. 3 conditions I already said. Right? What else you require? That only you require. Now, tell me. I don't know whether you will require very discipline with more subject. Without discipline, less subject, you can answer. Who is more strict? Who is good in subject? Who is liberal? Who don't know anything? They'll say liberal. You know, open secret that is. Anyhow, who knows English here? Don't waste my time. I want to enter into the subject. Or you answer yes or no. Then I will start. Do you know English or not? Boys? Huh? You know? K-N-O-W or no? N-O? Okay. Girls? Yes or no? Okay. Let it be. You are thinking, why unnecessarily is a dangerous guy? Like that. Fine, guys. No problem. But even I don't know English. Not good. Even I don't know English. Really. Not good. I don't know that. Fine. Come to the point. Don't feel. Now, come to the point. To learn English, what is required? At least you tell me. Okay, we don't know English. But we need to know English. We should impress others. That type of English you must know. Correct or not? Yes. Tell me. To understand English, what you must learn first? 3 things రాస్తాను ఇక్కడ ముందే రాసి పెడతాను. 3 things. First, come on. Right. So now one student is saying, Siri is saying, noun that describes something. Noun that describes something. Is it? I am asking improper noun. And they are explaining noun. That is called exam writing. I want to tell you one story here. Small story. And you don't feel it. No problem when you feel it also. Everybody should listen this story. The story is, I will start the story. Because in middle of it, lot of motivational stories I will tell you. Because that I require to get success in my coding. See that like you, like me, we are all writing 10th class exam in the March, for example, March 20 like that. And we observe the previous year's papers. Telugu essay is there, Telugu essay. 15 marks question. What they generally asking in previous years? Cow, C-O-W. Regularly asking question. And what we will think this year also, it is a very regularly asking question. We'll prepare cow essay very well. Why? Every year asking March, September, every year it is asking compulsory question. We prepared, went to the exam and answer paper is given. 15 marks is the highest marks question. Immediately I turn the page, cow essay is not there. Aeroplane is there, ship is there, and then aeronautical engineering is there. 3 points gone. But will you leave that question? No, I will keep heading. What is that heading? Aeroplane. Better is what? Aeroplane. Definitely you have a very God-given knowledge is there. Will keep what? Aeroplane. You will say, I gone to international airport. I enter into the flight. I sat, seat belt kept, flight taken off, land going, and I looked over the window to the down. On the earth, cow is going, and write cow essay. From there onwards, you started your what you learned it. And what examiner will do? You will go on tick mark and then giving some marks. That is called a cow essay. I am asking improper now. They are saying no. Did you understand? The morality is what? Question to answer is important. Whether that is happened or not, we don't know. But morality is what? Question to answer. Interview also same. Right. Thank you for listening the story. Now coming to the point. Now I am going to say, coming to the point back. Now I am going to say, here to learn English, what is required? Very good. Alphabets are required. Alphabets are required. Okay. Next, do you know alphabets? Do you know alphabets? Really? Okay. I'll write one program. I'll prove that you don't know alphabets also. I'll write one code. You'll really like that. From there onwards, I will change your total mindset. Sir, you have taken us to the negative stage. Because what is happening, what we learn, I'll write a code. Okay, no problem. Alphabets. Next. Come on. Very good. Words. These words you developed, already developed, which is called a library. Library. Correct or not? Right. How many words are there? So many number of words are there. 26 are. Very good. Who is that? Very good. Who is 26 saying? 26 are. Ever? Some Akashvani said, Akashvani. Corona batch. 26 letters are there. In that, morning only one of my students selected in the company. What is the question? Written test question. Write a Python program which is given a test Python. One small capital P, small y, capital T, small h, capital O, small n. Write a Python code in such a way that convert upper to lower, lower to upper. You have to get the output as what? Small p, capital Y, small t, capital H, small O, capital N. It is not only for what? It is for what? Sentence also. Getting my point? You take any student and give this, nothing can be written. What is required here? We require libraries. And the question is what? Without libraries. How to solve this problem solving skills? With our programming skills. This is very simple in our class. This is even 0 level I used to explain. This is a written test questions. Let it be. These libraries. Words are nothing but what? Libraries. Characters are 26 small letters, 26 capital letters are there. Right or not? So 26 words are not there, my dear students. How many letters are there? 26. Words are how many? Many are there. Many are there. So many are there. If you know more words, more English. If you don't know many words, more English. Correct or not? Now, after words, next what is required? Come on, ma. Very good. Sentences. To write sentences, very good. Sentences, what you must know? Very good. Grammar is required. Grammar is required or not? Do you know grammar? Do you know grammar? Do you know grammar? No, sir. Okay, sir. Right. Finally, this is called English learning. Learning English is nothing but knowing alphabets, knowing about words, knowing about what? Grammar. Did you understand? This grammar is nothing but certain framework where we are preparing the sentences opposite person can understand. Now I am going to introduce Python you come, Java you come, C programming you come, any programming language you want to learn it. What must be known? Number one, number two, number three. What is required? Number one, what is required? Their alphabets. Here, what is required? Accurate concepts are required. Accurate concepts are required. Accurate concepts are required. What do you mean by accurate? And don't think these words as lightweight words like our academics, because every word meaning there is a lot of description is there. What is accurate? Correct. 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 Accurate means improper manner. In proper manner. Okay. So, in proper manner, something says correct, something like this. Correct is different from accurate. I'll give you one small example, my dear students. Please let me go to the Python environment. Because if I don't give these examples, you will think that which is not going to be possible for me to get it into the development. Let me go for one beautiful example here. Right now, see. Because in the features level, almost I will change you to get it into my context. Pi is equal to 22 by what? 7. Print of what? Pi, which is going to print this data. Correct or not? After the dot, how many are there? After the dot, how many are there? Some number of decimal places are there or not? Do you think that only the decimal places are there or still there? Huh? Still there or not there? There or not there? How do you print them in C language? One more time. Okay. A is equal to 1 minute, 3.4. Print of what? A. What is an answer? 3.4. Everybody will think that A is equal to 3.4 because you have to think very seriously about this. A is equal to 3.4. They will think that it is 3.4 only. But is it really 3.4 or something else? Huh? Now, I will tell you that. Totally, you don't have the knowledge on it. It is not 3.4 actually. It is not, people will think that that is an accurate value. It is not an accurate value. Internally, it contains lot of digits are there. I'll print it. Percentage, you don't know what is this. I will explain in my class. Some 15, 15 F, comma, full or something like this. I will say A. I'll say A. See that it is printed what? 3.4000 something is printed. Next, you say one more time. I am saying that it is called 20. It is called 20. I am writing something like that. You see, after the dot, I am printing 15 decimal places. Zeros are printed. I am printing after the dot 25 decimal places. I am printing. What is the answer is coming? 3.3999 etc. is coming. 3.4 is not 3.4. 3.4 is internally considered as what? 3.9999 etc. You go for one more time. I will write some 35. I will write some 35. It is going to print, you see, up to here. It is going to be still decimals are there or not? You say next is called something like 45. You say 50 directly, straightforward. Still the decimals are there. You say something like 60. You say something like 60. After that, what is coming? You say something like 70 now. You say something like 70 now. This is called ending. From here onwards, what is coming? Now see 3.4 is not 3.4. 3.4 is actually this. This one which I highlighted is called accurate value. The concept behind that is called IEEE 754 base paper calculation. Every student must know this concept in software industry. Even the people who are working in software industry, they don't know this. Yes, because in financial transaction, before financial transaction project starts, they will explain the concept of IEEE 754 paper calculation. Do you feel 3.4 is 3.4 or 3.9999? 3.4 is 3.4 or 3.3333999? It is not 3.4 as 3.4. It is called what? 3.9999, etc. Are you following? Is it accurate or just correct? Just correct. But it is what? Accurate. One more answer. 10 by 5 is equal to what? 2. 2 into 3 if I do it, 2 into 5 if I do, I will get the result or not? One more question I am asking. 10 by 3 is equal to what? 3.333, like that. You go on writing. What you will write in mathematics? On the top of it, one bar you write it. So 3 into 3.333 is becoming what? 9.999. Is it equal to 10 now? Then how it is equal to 10? Can you answer this? It's a small fundamental question. These are all the questions in Infosys. In first round, beginning round only, 80% people will be out. Now let me write it. 10 by 3 I will write it. 10 by 3 I will write it. This is the data. Why last 5 is coming? Do you know the secret of this concept? Nobody knows. We'll explain in the class. You multiply 3 into 3.333 into 3, you say it is equal to 10. But if I ask you 10 by 3, 3.333, you will go on writing it. But answer is what? 10 is coming or not? What is the concept behind that? You take any working professional, ask these questions out of order. That's why from the 0 level to hero level, you will bring it. I will explain all these things. Last and final. A is equal to what? 3.5. Print A. Print A. What is the value of 3.A is 3.5? It is something different. 3.4 is what? 3.39999. Now tell me, 3.5. Is it 3.5? What is it? 3.49999. Like that you are thinking. But 3.5 is 3.5 only. Sir, we enjoyed a lot this one, and you are thinking like that. Now see, I will talk about it. Don't, because these are all regular part of your subject, students. 3 point. Next you increase that. Now you say straightforward, go to 25. See that still same. 35, still 50, still 60, still 70. Also 3.5 remains 3.5. Why sometimes that answer? Why sometimes this answer? You take 1 month time. You take 1 month time. I'm giving challenging question. This is. You take 1 month time. Come with a preparation. You search in the internet. On the Google go. IEEE 754 base paper calculation. One document is open, which is prepared by group of electronics engineer. You understand? Not even single word you will understand. In coding, you require that type of standards. Did you understand? Teaching subject without any meaning is one way. Teaching subject more professionally is a second way. This is a second way here. That's why you enjoy every nuts and bolts of the subject. I don't need your basics. Everything is myself only, I said. In the day one only, I said. Everything I'll explain. Point to point. Like an LKG kid, I will explain. Okay, students, anyhow, come to the point. From somewhere to somewhere I went. Number 2, first one is what? So you need accurate mean correct? No. Is it proper? No. It is called what? Exact result. Exact results you have seen. What is the meaning of that also? I will explain in the class. Least bother about it. This is only I explained only 0.2%. 0.8% I would explain. Still there is a lot of concept. Okay, next. I need to learn what next? Words are nothing but what? English library. Modules are nothing but what? Libraries. Python libraries are called what? Modules. C language libraries are called header files. Java libraries are called packages. Java libraries are called packages. Python libraries are called, right. Who is an expert in Python? Who knows more modules or less modules? More modules. They are called what? Expert. Now coming to what? Third. What is the third one? You need to learn. In English, if it is that, we need to learn what? Grammar. But if it is that, you need to learn what? Syntaxes. This is the word I like it today. These syntaxes are required for preparation of what? For preparation of what? Statements used in where? Programs. Used in where? Programs. Why programs are required? For solving of my real-time problems. I need to develop the programs. Such syntaxes in Python, the syntaxes which are present in Python are called what? User-friendly syntaxes are provided. What syntaxes are provided? User-friendly syntaxes are provided. User-friendly syntaxes makes the programmer to remember easily or difficult? Easy. User-friendly syntaxes makes the programmer to remember, and I am writing, remember what? Remember the syntaxes and makes us to develop syntaxes and makes the programmer to write the code easily, makes the programmer to write one word. I will write it, error-free programs. This word I want to write, error-free programs in what time? Limited span of time. Limited span of time. Are you able to get my words? You take an example of C language. You take C language syntaxes. You see, you already seen, might be in the colleges. Compared to Python, if I see C language syntaxes are little harder compared to what? Python. You go before C language, there was a COBOL, which you don't know. Actually, it was there when we were the students. COBOL syntaxes are very hard as well as very lengthy also. Lengthy syntaxes, hard syntaxes, will you remember easily? Since you don't remember the syntaxes, when you write the program, you will get lot of errors. Lot of compile time errors will come. So your time is wasted in solving the errors only. So solving the errors require a lot of time. Is that language you will feel easy or difficult? Any language provide hard syntaxes and lengthy syntaxes will killing your time in solving the errors. But Python language, if you come, what is happening? Python programming will provide what syntaxes? User-friendly syntaxes are provided. User-friendly syntaxes makes the programmer to write the program quickly without errors. That's why Python language is once again proved as which language? Simple language. If a language provides a very difficult and lengthy syntaxes, is it easy to remember or difficult to remember? Difficult to remember. That's why to write the program more easily, what we do? We expect what syntaxes? User-friendly syntaxes. User-friendly syntaxes means what? Easy to remember, easy to code immediately. Such a type of syntaxes are what? User-friendly. Because of user-friendly syntaxes, what you can do? I can write my code quickly. I can write which programs? Error-free programs I can write it. That is the beauty of which syntaxes? Python syntaxes. Come to the point of it. Third point I will write it. I hope you got it. Python programming language. Come on, fast. Python programming language provides. Come on, provides. Which syntaxes? User-friendly syntaxes. User-friendly syntaxes. I'm going to say user-friendly syntaxes. User-friendly syntaxes. And makes the programmer to develop what programs? Error-free programs. First of all, we must have these English words. Error-free programs. How? By taking lot of time or less time? Within what time? limited span of time. Within limited span of time. Are you understanding? So see that almost I took so much of time on explaining this simple. What is the simple? If you go for an interview, people will ask you, how do you justify Python is a simple language? Python is one of the simple programming language because of three factors. Number one, Python programming provides a rich set of modules so that Python programmer can reuse predefined code without writing our own code. Number one. Definition of what? Module. A module is a collection of what? Functions, attributes, and class names. And factor number two, Python programming provides inbuilt garbage collection facility so that unused memory space removed automatically. I never write the code for removing the unused memory space. Next, Python provides which syntaxes? User-friendly syntaxes. User-friendly syntaxes makes you to write what programs? Error-free. Error-free means without errors. And how much I am writing? Very fastly I am writing. This is what Python makes what? Simple. And normal students will not understand this deep discussion. Right? Suppose you are coming to my class, I explained this much. Suppose by mistake, some students, which I don't want to highlight, they are going to one institute. They are writing the heading called simple. What they are writing, you know, and it is happening also. The features they will explain within half an hour, features are over. So that student feature is also over. What is simple they write? Do you know what they are writing? Python programming. What they are writing, I virtually used to see and I used to feel a lot. Python programming is easy to learn, and hence Python is simple. And hence Python is simple. This is the sentence they are writing it. Even small websites also they will write like this. Is it Python is easy to learn? Is it easy to learn? Come on, boss. No. If they say that sentence, a new student coming to Amirpet and sitting in one institute, if they say Python is easy to learn, that's why simple. Definitely that student will impress. Why? He doesn't have anything in the knowledge in the mind. If anybody says forcefully this deep subject, they are unable to compatible with the subject. Why? Mindset was like that. Their grown is like that. But those who expect actuals, internals of the subject, this is the class most suitable. If you want to look at that type of poisonous statements, this is not clear. This is deeply discussing in this class, every coding, every part of it. Is it correct or not? After attending my class, to check other classes, you attend once, you will come to know. Then they will say this sentence. Immediately you will look at the faculty, how simple faculty is. See that sentence and see this sentence. Why Python is simple? I said number one, number two, number three. I hope you understood this. Right, finished. Now I am going to enter into the further. Another feature I want to introduce now. Another feature I am going to introduce now. What is the next feature of Python? Freeware and open source. Freeware and open source I am going to introduce. It's very simple. Now I am going to discuss now. So coming to the point back, now I am going to say here, observe it very carefully. Here I am going to say. Now look at students. Freeware and what? Open source. Right. Now, in this case, what is freeware? I am going to explain. And the next is called what is open source. Also, I am going to explain. What is freeware? It is very easy. In this period of time, I will take it. And I will give you, this is very easy, students. Nothing is difficult. Any software is downloaded freely. If any software downloaded freely, and that software is called what? And that software comes under what? Freeware. Comes under freeware. Is Python is freeware or licensed software? Freeware. What is an official website of Python? www.python.org. Is it freely downloadable or any license you have to give it? Or any credit card you need to give it? Nothing, no? So www.python.org, And if you look at the downloads, if you click on this Python 3.11.2, I shown you already the downloading process. When you click on it, within few minutes, within few seconds, this is already downloading, getting downloaded. Are we paying any single NP for downloading the Python software? Is it freeware or licensed software? Very good. Now, if I come to that, examples I am going to introduce. What is that now? Number one is called Python. Java also one of the open source students. Java is also one of the freeware only. Understand? And the doubt you need to get it immediately. Sir, Python software is so popular. The first choice for the programmers nowadays. Once they are giving free of cost, how they will get the money? Right or not? How they will get the money? Is it a big doubt or not? Do you got the doubt first of all? You got the doubt. You did not get the doubt, but you have the doubt in the mind and you are hesitating to ask this doubt also. I will tell in the class. It is also one of the interview based question to check your IT knowledge, general knowledge part. In the middle of the classes, what is the freeware importance? What is the licensed software? How the companies are getting the money when they are giving freeware? I'll explain a small article related kind of explanation for you. Right now, don't worry. Python is a freeware or licensed software? Freeware, because we are downloading freely. Right, students. Now, the most important point I am talking, open source. What do you mean by open source? How it is different from this? Freeware and open source are completely different. Now I'm talking about open source. Now see, once we download the Python software, that Python software is having one standard name. Once we download this Python software, the PSF people, you know, PSF, it's not non-commercial organization, maintained and managed by Python software maintenance. This is an organization. So to maintain such a type of Python software, PSF came into the picture. And PSF people has given some standard name for Python. Whatever the software we have downloaded comes under a freeware of Python. It is having one standard name. I am writing that part. The standard name. So the standard name of Python software. The standard name of what? Python software is CPython. What is the name of the standard name? CPython. This is the standard name. ROSM has developed the Python on a standard name called what? CPython. Right. Later, in later stages, many software companies came forward. Many software companies came forward and developed and customized. I'm going to write customized. Which one? CPython. Since it is a freely downloadable, they downloaded and they customized which Python? CPython, and developed their own tools. Developed their own in-house tools. When you are working in MNC companies or some companies, each company is having at least one tool is there in that companies. The tool is not the same tool in other company also. Every company is having their own tools. That tool is developed by customizing some sort of freewares. You know, Infosys is having, Wipro is having, IBM is having, every company is having their own in-house tool. That is not a universal tool. Only that company will be using for testing performance, for testing the quality of the softwares. For that purpose, they will have their own in-house tools will be there. That in-house tools will be prepared generally from where? From freewares. They will be customizing and they will be developing their own in-house tools. Like that, CPython also customized by a lot of companies. And I am writing next line. The customized versions of what? CPython are called what? You know, Python distributions we can call. It is also one frequently asked question. Distributions we can call. What they are called? Python distributions we can call. The customized versions of which one are called what? Python distributions, are also called as some flavors of Python we can call. What are the various Python distributions are available? I will write it. Some of them, and nobody will ask you to install that distributions and everything. I am saying for your knowledge purpose. If this question is coming, what are the various Python distributions? That time you need to be able to answer. Some of the Python distributions are, I will write some one by one. Some of them I will write it. It's not necessary to remember all of them. Some of them I will write it. So first one is called what you know, JPython. JPython. It is also called as what you know, Jython. It is used for running. Which applications? Java-based applications. Used for running which applications? Java-based applications. What is the name of the open source? JPython or Jython. Used for running which applications? Java-based applications. Are you getting? What is the standard name? CPython. What is CPython is called original name of the Python language. And it is customized by the people as what name? JPython, or called what? So Jython or JPython is known as what? They customized which one? CPython. They are using for their own purpose. Second one is called what you know? Iron Python we can call. It is also known as what you know? IPython we can call. IPython used to run which based applications? C#.net applications. C#.net applications. Are able to follow? C#.net applications. Third one is called what? Ruby Python. Need not to remember, students, for your knowledge purpose I am saying. Ruby Python. It is used to run which applications? Ruby applications. Once in a time, Ruby is a one language. Ruby on Rails, might be you heard about it. So that type of language to run, they are using Ruby Python. Used to run which based applications? Ruby applications. Next is called fourth, MicroPython. It is also a little important in electronic projects in few days back. Sit up. So coming to the point of it, MicroPython used to run or what? Develop microcontroller applications. Microcontroller applications. Used to run or what? Develop microcontroller applications. What is the meaning of these things are called? Distributions of Python we can call. Are able to follow this? Next, I will say next fifth one is called what? Anaconda Python. So Anaconda Python. This is used to deal with, used to run big data applications. Big data. It is also called as what you know? Hadoop based applications we can call. Hadoop based applications we can call. Like that, if I go on writing stackless Python, it is also used for developing concurrency applications. Concurrency, that is nothing but multi-threading I am explaining in the class. Like how is our reservation on railway reservations, bus reservations, Red Bus, these are all iMobile apps. Concurrency is required. Like this, if I go on writing, so many number of applications will be coming on which side? Open source. Did you understand this meaning here? These are all called what? Various distributions of Python language. What is the standard name here? Did you understand the difference between freeware and open source? Freeware is nothing but what? Downloading freely. If any software is permitting to download freely, we call it as what? Freely downloadable. That is called what? Freeware. Python and Java comes under what? Freeware. And open source is nothing but what? After downloading freely, some software companies came forward and they will customize that version of standard name, and they are preparing their own in-house tools for quality assurance, for testing the performance purpose. They'll write their own tools. Such a type of customized versions of C Python are called what? Python distributions. Some of the distributions of Python are something like this. There are a lot of distributions are there. Please check it once in the internet. Go to that. Now I am writing here. Python distributions for your clarity purpose. So many are there. Python distributions. Just go for that. wikipython.org. It's an official website for maintaining Python distributions. Come to the point of it. See how many distributions are available. Need not to remember all these students. Active Python, Anaconda Python, Chinese Python, Win9x Python, Packet Python, Portable Python. So like that, you just go on seeing that Stackless Python, Tiny Python, Win Python, Embedded Python, and still Python implementations. Python implementations. You see on that screen here, you come down here, Cross Twin Tinker, Stackless, Piston, Cinder, like this. You see so many number of Micro Python, Circuit Python. You come down to these lines. And here PyPy, Jython, Iron Python, Stack Python. So many number of versions are there. C Python. So these many number of Pythons are there. Is it need not to remember all this. These are all called what? Various types of open sources of which one? C Python. So from C Python only all these things are coming. So Python is open source or licensed where? Is a open source. I hope that you are understanding about what is the meaning of freeware and open source. Is it clear? Now, next one, we are going to enter into the another feature. This is a very simple, nothing is difficult. Next feature I'm going to discuss about what? Platform independent language. This topic I will explain in the Monday class. Tomorrow, I'm not going, tomorrow, this is the first week, because when new batches system came into the picture, when new batches system came into the picture, when new batches coming into the picture, we don't take on the Saturday new batch. We don't take that first Saturday, not every Saturday. Only that Saturday we don't take it. Next Saturday onwards, we have the classes. So only for that Saturday and the first week, I don't take. And the remaining Saturdays onwards, Monday to Saturday classes will be there. Because I can start the platform independent. Platform independent, I can explain almost 1 hour 45 minutes, because I want to say that it is going to be internally how it is working. Now itself, I can convince you by explaining such a small thing. Go to this place. Here you just see how easily you can understand this. Go to this place and go to the downloads format. You observe it. This Python is running on where? Windows, running on where? And go to other platforms also, students. Observe it. Other platforms. Python can execute on AIX. Python can execute on IBM AS400 and iSeries things. Python can execute on iOS and iPad OS. And Python can execute on OS 90 and JetBoy OS. Python can execute on Solaris, RISC OS, and everywhere else, VMS, HP, UX. It can execute on Linux also. And what is the meaning of it? Python is running on any OS. I can say simply, Python is which language? Platform independent. Python is which language? I can say that word. Since Python is running on any OS, it is comes under what? Platform independent. Okay. So Python can run on any OS. I can say that word and I can say it is over. If you go to tomorrow interview, you will say, my Python software can run on any OS. That's why Python is which language? And they will ask immediately, write a code and show me. That time you will see, my sir did not explain the coding. In outside, what is happening? So dangerous things. Like that, they will show that, they will say that what? Python is platform independent. I don't want to believe that. I say, if you are talented, show me the coding, I will say. Always coding, coding, coding. Remember, students, formulas don't listen. Right up? So think thoughtfully and expect the coding for everything from my class. In Monday class, I am going to discuss about what? Platform independency, meaning how C language is platform dependent, how Python is platform independent, how Java is platform independent, difference between Java platform independent and Python independent. 1 hour 40 minutes minimum explanation I will give on this area. Only the topic I will explain on that area, because that much great meaning is there inside of it. Are you able to follow? Right. So Monday I'll go for what? Platform independent. So I'll stop my class. Monday will go for this language. Tomorrow class is not there. Monday we will meet, and Monday to Saturday class is there. Don't come and ask me, sir, every Saturday not there. Every Saturday class is there. This Saturday there is no class. Okay. Thank you. Online students, you can hold on. I'll speak to you. Students in online, Bindu Madhavi. Bindu Madhavi. Bindu Madhavi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, ma.
Notes.
Notes I'm sending daily, ma. You need to go for this Google Drive link code I already showing from last 3 days onwards.
Okay.
Please use the code and join in the Google Drive class so that you can come to this class and you can see my notes. Okay. Next, Muhib. Muhib. Student name is Muhib.
Yes, sir.
Muhib, please.
Yes, sir. I don't have any question. Thanks for asking that.
Okay. If you don't have the doubts, please hand raise symbol is there with you, students. Please check your ones. Tarun. Tarun. Student name is Tarun. Tarun. And next, Srikant, sorry, Srikant. Srikant is also there. Stephen, K. Stephen. Sudhir, student name is Sudhir.
Hello.
Sudhir, yes.
Hello, hi sir. So till when we gonna get these recordings? Like how many classes?
I
It's like
told
10
my
days
dear
or-
student already. I said beginning of the class, middle of the class also. These are the
No, but you
recordings of my previous
told
class.
like 6 days or 10 days, like exact days, like how many days till we get
We will
recordings?
give,
Because for next
we
week,
will give maximum 10 days. Maximum 10
Oh.
days.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Next, Tarun, Sheetal, student name is Sheetal. 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 Charmili. Student name is Charmili.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, ma.
Sir, when can I get the certification, sir? Can I get at the end of the course?
Yes, ma. After the course ending, you will get the certificates.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And I have another doubt, sir.
Okay, ma.
Sir, when you will start the coding, sir?
Coding, once these features will be over, we will start. To understand the coding, first we need to know perfection in the concepts.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. That's why I'm asking, sir.
Okay, ma.
In some exams, I need to write the coding, sir. So this is why I'm asking.
You will write the coding this one, huh?
No, sir. What I'm saying is I'm applying for some jobs, sir.
Uh-huh.
So so in that job exams, I'm receiving some coding questions, sir.
Okay, that coding
So
questions you can write once the course is over. Amma.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right.
I am very interested in your classes, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Right. Thank you. And the student name is Vidya Sagar. Student name is Vidya Sagar.
Hi, sir. This is Vidya Sagar, and I'm audible, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, audible, audible.
Yeah,
Please,
hi, sir. This is Vidya Sagar, actually, and I am a working employee.
Okay.
Currently, I'm working for Honeywell India Private Limited. Okay.
Very good.
So actually, my question is,
Mm.
sir. Actually, I'm a QA engineer, so I would
Mm.
like to
Mm.
means like write or automate my web service, my web pages as well as some mobile devices, Android mobile device.
Mm.
So in your classes, how extent we can get practice, or we will get explained based on my requirement. That is
See,
what the question is.
see, actually, in our course, our main target is so the Python journey will start. This complete coding will explain. Complete deep coding skills will be explained with the
Okay.
highest target packaged subject is data science.
Okay.
In the middle of it, DevOps related, AWS related, QA engineer, Selenium test cases,
Okay.
all the things require is coding. Python coding you are using, correct?
Yeah, right, sir.
That
Yes.
coding you will understand very easily because our main our high-end target is data scientist that require very high-end coding. That coding I am explaining. With that
Okay.
coding standard, all other areas, sub areas can be easily understandable.
Okay. Okay. Thank
I
you, sir.
hope you
Actually,
understood.
yeah, currently I'm supporting incremental automation, sir. Whereas I'm just
Okay.
modifying a few lines of code, and I could able to make
You
it
can
run.
easily
But
do, my dear student. You can
I
easily
don't
do.
know how to create the projects and all. Actually, I'm the dump guy, just changing few lines, and I'm executing my
You can
scripts.
easily
Actually.
do that. You can easily do that. So
Okay. Okay.
there are a lot
Okay,
of
sir.
students will be there with your requirement, what you are getting it. Lot of
Yeah.
things you will get it.
Okay, maybe one Sunday, I will come to your class physically, sir. I'm working in Hyderabad.
Sunday class is
So
not
there
there.
is,
Sunday not there.
sorry, Saturday I will
You
come to.
can attend
Not
that.
this Saturday, coming Saturday or
You
next
can.
Saturday.
This Saturday is not there. Coming
Yeah,
Saturdays you can attend. No
sure,
issue.
sure, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Have a good.
Right. Thank you. Next student is Sanskar. Sanskar.
Hello. Hello.
Sanskar.
Hello.
Sanskar.
Hello.
Sanskar, please talk.
My voice is clear.
Please speak.
Sir, we will get online questions for practice.
We will be giving you lot of exercise in the class, my dear student.
Okay, sir. And sir, I am unable to fulfill the academics criteria of 60%. So, is there? I
That
will
I am not
get job in
responsible, my dear
cybersecurity.
student. That I am not responsible because you have to have minimum criteria of qualification. Minimum qualification is required.
Okay.
Right. So Sumit, student name is Sumit.
Hello.
Sumit, please.
Sir, I had passed BSc Agriculture in 2017, and I have a gap of 6 years.
Okay.
Then can I get a job as a fresher?
Once you have great coding standards, we can get any irrespective of your background. And you need to learn data science also along with.
As a fresher, sir?
Yeah, as a fresher only I'm saying.
Okay, okay. And we, ठीक है. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next, Arun, my dear student, Arun. Arun?
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma.
Sir, actually, my laptop is of Windows 7, sir. So
Okay, ma'am.
can I download Python, sir? I tried, but I'm not getting it.
Your voice is completely not clear to me. Your Windows is Windows 10.
Windows 7. Hello.
Why your voice is not clear, ma? Please make it fast.
Sir, my laptop is of Windows 7, sir.
Windows 7. Okay, next.
So I can't download Python, sir, in that Windows 7.
Already I told you, Nama. Already I told you, right? Please, in the class only I told you. Windows, if you want to download Python software, you must have Windows 7 later versions. Windows 8 is minimum. On
Okay,
Windows
sir.
7, it will not execute. I told already in the class, ma.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right, ma. Next, something like Pujita. Student name is Pujita. Next name is Varsha V.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Speak a little more clear, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Can
Yes,
you hear
ma'am.
me, sir?
Tell me, ma'am.
Actually, sir, I'm a bit far away from Amirpet.
Mm.
So can I get, like, if I able to come to Amirpet, I'll come to Amirpet, or else can I attend online classes once or like offline once? Is that be possible, sir?
You take permission from admins, ma'am. Like that, you take permission.
Okay, sir, and I'm from third year ECE background.
Mm.
So I want to change it to IT, or I should start doing Python and simultaneously I should learn data science, or
Yes.
like you will only teach data.
Simultaneously don't learn, ma. In this year, you complete Python completely. Next, you
Okay,
plan
sir.
even in your fourth year, you plan for data science.
Okay, so even you
Yes,
will teach data science also, sir?
Yes, ma. In further, if it starts my batches, we will intimate.
And when will this batch start, sir?
Which one, ma?
This Python batch.
Just 3-4 days back, ma. This is a fifth class.
Fifth class.
First 3-4 classes, it is only introduction, not yet a subject is started. Only yesterday I started features. That is a very important. And we already provided the link here. Google Drive links are provided here. First
Okay.
2 days you leave it. Third day, fourth day. Yesterday, day before yesterday is an important.
And if it is offline also, online also, it is fine, no, sir. I can be able to cope up with my needs further.
Yeah, 100%, ma.
Online also is fine, no, sir. If
You
I'm
come
not
for
able.
one day offline and one day online, you listen both of them, you can feel both of them are safe.
Okay, sir. And thank you, sir. I'll
Right.
come and talk to you.
Okay. Next is Sheetal. I called 3-4 times, ma. Sheetal, you did not receive me, and you are raising the hand symbol is always. Sheetal. Sheetal.
You able to hear me, sir?
Yes, ma.
You able to hear me, sir?
Yes, ma. Tell me.
Yeah, I think there is an issue with my headset. I am speaking, but you are not
Okay.
able to hear. It's okay. Very good evening. Sir, actually, I'm working professional and I'm working in Europe for European Commission.
Okay.
The thing is that this batch timing doesn't suit me, and I cannot call to Naresh directly and check for the another batch. So I would like to attend your batch only, but maybe in the morning time around 7 or 8 a.m.
Okay. What is the reason of attending my batch, ma? Any reason?
Yeah, I got a feedback from my few of the working professional friends, and they have attended your batches already.
Okay,
So
good.
they strongly recommended me to attend your batch only, especially
Okay.
for Python.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah.
So when it starts your comfortable timing, you can attend that.
Yeah, but I want to know, like, is there any plan, like the batch?
Can you, because this batch is started now, maybe 4 o'clock batch, one more is getting completed on March 20th.
Okay.
So maybe 4 o'clock is okay for you?
4 o'clock means it's around, it will be more early. No, it won't be possible. I want something really early morning time.
Early morning. It will take next month, April 20th, morning 7 a.m. will be completed. That time you have to join. You can join in that.
Okay, it's better than I will continue in this batch only because I cannot wait that long.
Okay,
So
that's what, because it will take some, because that is only started a few days back only. To complete it takes 1 month at least.
okay,
That's
so
why.
even this batch duration is 1 month?
Not 1 month, it is a 3 months. Complete coding standards, deep coding standards will be explained.
Okay, 3 months.
Because 1 month, if I explain, myself will not be satisfied. So if I don't satisfy, how can I make my students to justify? So I cannot. I have to explain deep coding standards. So I need that much time.
3 months. Okay, no problem. So, and sir, like what's the fees also? I don't know that too.
You talk to them, okay?
Maybe I need to mail them. Yeah.
You talk to
Okay.
them, okay?
Fine. Okay.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, right. And next student, Habibunnisa. Student name is Habibunnisa.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma, tell me.
Sir, can you please again explain about this expenses?
I did not get your ma. Habibunnisa.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, ma, tell me.
Sir, can you please explain this open source again?
Why, ma, you did not understand? Huh? Open source is nothing but standard Python software will be customized. Like when you buy a bike, you are customizing according to your requirement. That changed from the standard component is called what? Distribution of the standard one. Any software allows to customize, that type of customized things are comes under open source. C Python allowed to change, allows to modify, allows to do your own tools. So this comes under open source, and different open sources are names are given. I think Habibunnisa, you understand, I hope so. Okay, right. Next student is Amol C. Amol C. Student name is Amol C. Amol. Amol. Okay. Next, J. Wadadi. J. Wadadi. J. Wadadi.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I have a question. Like when you're going to your class, can I ask you a question that time, or I need to just pile up my questions and ask you after the class?
In middle of the sessions, okay, you might be having some doubt in middle of the classes. Once coding will start, you never get a single doubt. Even if you get a doubt, because in the beginning only I'm saying why, because that much guaranteed thing I am saying means you can understand what will be the detailed, crystal clear explanation I'm giving about the coding. No doubt in that. But in the middle of it, when I start answering, because some hundreds of students will be getting, particular student is concentrating. At the end of the class, I will speak every day to the particular student who is having the doubt like today.
Okay. And I have one more question. Like, do you have any? So this course is, you said that it's for 3 months. Do you have any short-term courses? Like,
no. You
no?
contact the office, because some people may be teaching for weekend batches, Python in 20 days, 15 days, like that they will teach. You can contact them.
Okay, but you're not teaching.
No, I don't teach, because I cannot justify the 2 students, because I cannot skip this topic.
Okay, got it.
Because
yeah,
because I am not a commercial purpose, because I want to teach to the subject in depth of it.
That's great.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So the next class is on Monday, right?
Yeah, Monday.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right. And Sumant SK, my dear student, Sumant SK.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, Sumant, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, firstly, I'm really impressed with your class, and thank you so much. The way you are explaining the class is really amazing.
Thank you, my dear student.
For all your help and making the things understandable for us.
Yes, thank you.
And also, firstly, I have around 15 plus years of industry experience. Right now, I'm working for Voice, Vodafone Infrastructure Services.
Nice to hear. Okay.
And my core domain is Unix. I work on Sun Solaris, Linux, and the flavors of Linux.
Very good.
So, and I was actually initially have learned embedded systems. Okay. As part of that course, I've learned C, C++, and microcontroller programming, everything.
Okay.
And so I was very good at that point of time, but however, because now I'm in complete system administration,
Okay.
so I am not working on that, but I use that logic to write a few scripts in using Unix shell scripting.
Okay.
So I'm very much impressed, sir, once again.
Right,
Sir,
Mohit.
I just
Thank
want to check with you on one theoretical part.
Okay.
So you mentioned that in case if we have unused memory, then the performance gets degraded.
Yeah.
So can you please explain that, sir?
See, for example, take directly an application. I created an employee database. Okay.
Okay.
When our company recruits the employees and we create directly, we don't enter the data into the database. What we do is first we'll accept the data from the keyboard. We'll arrange the data in the main memory in the form of what? Objects.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if I accept hundreds of employees data that is there in the main memory, and I expected that some 100 objects, 100 employees data which I decided to enter, I expected that 500 objects memory space is created, but I expected only 50 objects data I'm able to store it. The rest of the unused memory space which is there in the main memory, if I keep for a long time, it gives you a lot of OS related concentration is required more on that area.
Okay.
If I measure the execution time at that point of time without memory clearance, it gives you high time to execute. If I run my garbage collector behind that, the execution of the program will be little faster, not little faster. Half of the execution time will be reduced.
Okay. So
I hope you understand. In the programming, I will show you. You will be definitely understand my point, what I'm trying to say.
In addition to this, I just have one small thing. Do we have a dynamic memory allocation concept?
Exactly. See, that only I want to say. For example, my dear student, you just listen, you come to my point. Suppose you have C language already you learned or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
Int A of 100. This is called what? Static memory allocation, correct or not?
Yes.
This is static memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation means we go for what in C language, MLOC we use it, correct or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
So your point is here 100 memory locations are created, fixed 0 to 99, correct?
Yes.
Now here I got it, only 50 values I got it. 51 onwards to 99 is unused, correct or not?
Yes.
So is there any C concept present in C language to eliminate this memory space?
No.
Absolutely no. In C++ also same. Now, to avoid that, as you said, that dynamic memory allocation. What is dynamic memory allocation? We never write the fixed value. You will ask, enter how many values you want. You will say n, for example, 10. You will allocate only 10 memory locations. Carefully listen. 10 memory locations. At runtime only you are allocating. Okay. You allocated the values. 10 values fixed you entered. Are you following me?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Now it is array is pointing. Okay. My point is, I want to insert a new value. For example, get the point. I want to insert one new value. I want to insert one new value. Where do you insert? You tell me. Because you already allocated dynamically. 10 means 10 locations only allocated. I want one more value to insert as a 10th location. Is it possible in our C programming?
No.
No. That is one problem. And one more problem I will tell you. Please look at that. Suppose you enter in the runtime C language, enter how many values? 10. Okay, 10 locations created. After that, you are entering first data, second data, third data. Intentionally, I want to enter only 5 values I entered. Intentionally, I say control break, I say. What is happening? 0 to 4 only entered. And 5 onwards to 9 also becoming wasted or not?
Wasted. Terminating. We are terminating it.
We are terminating. This memory is allocated, but I'm not entering. Is it not waste of memory space?
Waste of memory space.
So our C language did not able to remove this memory space. If it is a language which is containing internally what? Garbage collection is there, it will see which are the filled values, which are not filled values. It will be keeping track of internally.
Okay.
So that will clear the memory space which is available, which is not under use.
Okay. Got it, sir.
I hope you impressed it.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
So
Total.
still I will explain. Programmatically, I will explain. I run one program, if you remember it. You see this, my dear student. 168 memory space. Later, some memory space reduced. Later, some memory space reduced. Still, total memory space was removed it when the program execution came to end.
Yes.
So I will explain this entire thing for you. Total data I will explain to you programmatically. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice
Right, right.
Thank you.
Next student is Venkat. Venkat. Student name is Venkat. Venkat, please.
Hi, sir. So my question is, maybe it's not related to Python or the programming here.
Okay.
So more of a general question. So I am 33 years old. So I'm working as a working professional and
Okay.
working for one of the MNC company. I'm working as a network engineer right now.
Okay.
So I really don't know anything about programming. So I'm planning to switching my technology here either for the data science or the software developer.
I'm saying
So-
that software developer, and if you come to the modern roles now, as a data scientist to become, you need two subjects. One is a coding, one is with Python, and algorithms and modeling the business plans by using data science.
Okay.
So you need to
So-
learn to switch over your career to the data scientist, which is a high paid job in the software industry, like data scientist, data journalist, business intelligence analyzer, business intelligence engineer, machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer, AI researcher. These are all called what? High paid jobs. To do this application development, the most backbone is Python coding.
Oh,
And
right. Yeah.
you will
I know a
understand
little
coding
bit
very well.
about the Python coding too.
You will
but,
understand like anything. I'm telling to you, I will just explain like anything coding. You just see after 1 week. I told some students already, you also one student in that. You see after 1 week when I start coding very shortly, you will say it's extraordinary, you will say.
No.
So I don't want
There
to
is no.
boost it.
There is no doubt about it. There is
Okay.
no doubt about your teaching
Okay.
skills and
Okay. Okay.
the confusion
Hmm.
or the place I stuck at is should I move to the software developer or the data science? So
That's what
at this point,
software
if I move to the
development.
software development, can I sustain there? Kind of that.
No.
So is it
Software
too
develop.
late?
You are still
So
thinking in the same way. Software development is nothing but data scientist level only you are coming. In traditionally, we call it as software developer. Now, software developer is nothing but what? Coding only. And that is a data scientist is the job of software developer only.
okay.
Are you getting my
Okay.
point?
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Yeah.
Earlier, we called it software engineer. These are all traditional roles. Now, the modern roles, if you come, data scientist is nothing but you are writing the coding only, developer only, that is called.
Okay. Okay.
I hope you got it, my point.
Yeah, I
So
got it
as a
now.
network engineer, are you writing any coding?
I'm not writing any coding here, but I know a little bit about Python,
Okay.
at least some basics. So
Okay.
the whole reason I'm asking this question is so somehow I enter into network side.
Okay.
So like after like 1 year, 2 year, after 5 years, I don't want to change my field again. At least I have to take right direction.
Next, I can say data scientist. You also know you're a working professional already. It has a
Yeah.
tremendous future in the coming 30 years. Is Python AI? You know how tremendous importance will be
Right,
there
right.
for
All
AI
this
nowadays.
ChatGPT, yeah.
So there is a lot of demand for Python. Next 30 years, there is no stop for this career.
Okay. Yeah.
So first,
Yeah.
I'm telling only one thing, whether the fresher or experienced, who whatever might be, we need to have the coding standards to become as a developer. That coding standards, once we improve, there is no stop for anybody.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Right. Thank you. Now, students in the online, Vijay. Vijay. Student in the online, Vijay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, I have been following your classes for last 4 days, sir.
Okay.
I am able to understand everything, sir. Thank you very
Very
much,
good. Very good.
sir. Sir, in one of the classes, you told that after completion of this course, it is better to get certified, sir.
Certification, huh?
Yeah, certification course. What is the name of that certification? sir?
NASCAM Python developer.
NASCAM, sir.
I
Right,
will
sir.
tell in the middle of that. Don't worry. I will tell in the middle of it. Okay.
Oh, right, sir.
Don't worry. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Right. Thank you, Vijay. Next, Varsha. Student name is Varsha.
Hello, sir. I just spoke. Can I come tomorrow for the details and stuff, sir? Will it be open?
You can contact the office, ma, no problem. You can come and talk to them. It's
And
open.
I'm from like ECE background, sir, and I
No
have
problem, ma. You can understand it. There is
I
no doubt
have
in that.
no idea of coding
Nothing
so
to
much.
idea. Nothing to idea. Even this, so many people are there in offline and online. You have seen about my questions. Even not even basics also people are not knowing about it. C language basics also nothing is there. Don't worry about it. You will understand everything in the class.
Till the end of the 3 months, I'll be good at it, no, sir?
You will become ultimate, provided the 3 conditions: punctuality in attending class, practicing my examples, and then reading the notes. These 3 things, if you do, you are an ultimate.
So if I join online course, can I come offline sometimes and ask
You
you
take
questions?
that permission. You take that permission, Suma. You can ask me questions anywhere else. There is no stop for you. Any question related to the doubt of the subject.
Online also I can ask you, sir, after the...
You are asking now only, na? I'm talking
Yes,
to you now.
yes, sir. Like this only it'll happen, no, sir?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, sir.
Right,
Thank you so much.
Right. So, Saket, Revanuru, Saket. Saket.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, open source and can modify it and develop their own software, sir.
I said, already I said, na? Just now, second time also I explained. Developing your own in-house tools by using standard softwares.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, students, now everybody is completed. And Monday class we will meet. Thank you. Take care. All the best.